Okay, go.
Hi.
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 Oh my
What's
God.
up?
Hi.
What's up?
Hi.
Okay, what do you want?
Oh my God. Hi.
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 So great to see you all. Hi.
Hi again. What's up?
Okay, hold on.
Do housekeeping.
Housekeeping. I'm housekeeping.
Can you
Want me
fix
to
this?
plug your pillow?
Yes,
Yeah,
fix
yeah.
that side of the bed, please. Because she fucked it up.
Thank you, Heather. Young lady, you're not supposed to use such vile language. Yeah, Heather.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna fix your shades. Okay, I fixed your shades. I fluffed your pillows. I need to fix the sheets.
Yeah, you're in this.
Are you gonna give me a tip? You guys are gonna give me a generous tip, right? I don't know.
I have no money.
Me either. So I do all this shit for nothing? Okay.
Now what's your language?
Okay, so I fluffed the pillows and she's messing it up again. I fixed the sheets. Now what's next? I forgot to jerk you off. Come here.